Who's out in my driveway? I was just taking the trash out and going over to my neighbor Heinz's house, and I saw a large body out here. I don't know if you know this, but this first week in August is peak fawning season. So mamas are going to be having babies. Although I can't tell from the camera here, I'll have to, I think he might have a little rack. It might be a buck. I can't tell if it's a rack or ears from where I stand. I'm going to continue on out and see what happens. Definitely a buck. I got a little closer, you can see the antlers. Wow, beautiful guy. I really don't want to get too close because he could hurt me. Chances are he'd run away, but oh, look at him. Beautiful. He's not really giving up too much ground. I don't want to try to walk while I hold the camera because it's zoomed in. I think he's going to leave. What a beautiful specimen. Okay, he walked away. Look at this little guy enjoying the bird bath. Very cute. Boy, he's getting clean. Oh my goodness, he's having a good time. Look who's visiting. I'm standing on my driveway. This girl has been out here off and on all day on the property between my driveway and my neighbors to the north. Seen her several times. Didn't have a camera. But now, I just wanted to show you. Does she look concerned? Not really. Let me move up a little. There she is again. She's right down by the street. Oh. Got a little Roadrunner out on the fence. Oh, he's dirty. He needs to go get in my bird bath. Did you see how much dust just came off of him? Oh, he's beautiful. Jeez, he is dirty. I think that swallowing looking motion is part of how they cooled themselves. Wow, what a treat to get such a good view of him. Boy, this guy's a character. Oh, he's going to go into my view in a minute here. Alright, well, glad we got a good look at him. Beautiful lighting on him. Go use the bird bath. Alright guys, that's 2 minutes with a Roadrunner. This is a bobcat kitten that I saw at a neighbor's house that I walked through and checked their property from time to time. I apologize for the shakiness of the video. I was so excited to see this, plus Mama was nearby. I saw her leave the patio and I didn't want her to come back and carve me up. So anyway, that's the reason for the shaky video. Hope you enjoy it. Hey guys. That's a bobcat kitten. Jimmy and Francine, this is at your house, on your front porch. I just saw Mama leave, so I'm gonna take a quick shot here and get the hell out of here before she comes back. Bobcat kitten. Let me back out just a little.